I know that 3 of these 4 aspects are reasons why people are not making sales with their digital products. Hey, welcome back to Brow Tap. This channel is for entrepreneurs who want to take their business online, who want to turn what they know into a digital course and start making money online. I'm Alex, your host, a brow artist turned online course creator. I created my first online course and since then have created 47 other digital courses. And basically I started by teaching beauty artists how to create successful businesses. And after creating 47 of those, I want to teach you how to actually create a digital product for yourself so you can turn what you know into a digital product, into a digital course, and start making money online. So I hear these questions a lot. How do I actually make money with digital products? How do I get people to buy them? Where do these sales even come from? How do I get people to pay me? So in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of how, the answer to all of these questions. If you want me to go deeper in each topic, please let me know. I'm happy to make a video on each one individually, but I wanted to give you one where you were like, okay, these are the answers to my pressing questions. 4 steps to making money with digital products. And I know that 3 of these are aspects that people who are not making sales with their digital products are missing when they were creating it and when they were selling it. When you choose a topic for your digital product, it needs to be something that you're good at, something you enjoy, something that you are an expert at, something that you love and are passionate about. That's very important too, but it also needs to be something that is solving someone's problem, that is solving a problem that your ideal student has. No one cares about your digital product unless it can help them, unless it can solve a problem that they have, unless it can help them with the situation they're in, unless it can give them a solution, unless it can take them from point A where they are now to point B where they want to be. So you of course want your topic to be something that you're passionate about. You want to be able to show up excited to talk about it, and you're gonna have to do that. But you also need to make sure that it solves a problem that somebody else has, that somebody else wants the solution to. So for example, if you're passionate about a movie and you just want to talk about that movie, make a freaking YouTube video, make a podcast episode about that. Do not make an online course around you talking about a movie. Whereas if you are passionate about creating video for YouTube, make a fucking online course around that. If you're passionate around that, it solves a problem of somebody else who wants to make YouTube videos and doesn't know how. 2 of how you're gonna make money with your digital course is you need to start showing up, showcasing, talking about it before it's ready. Oh my God, you do not know how many people are sitting around waiting for their online course, for their digital course to be ready before they start talking about it at all to anybody. Don't hide it, put it out there. I have done this when I launched Brow Tab as the brand for when I was selling actual physical products, actual microblading products. I actually put a lock on the Brow Tab site in case somebody happened to stumble across my website, across my URL when they knew nothing about it and they were like, oh, I'm gonna buy this product. I put a lock on it so that if they landed on it, they could not see what was there, but nobody knew anything about it. I was hiding it until I was 100% ready. And this is what a lot of us do. We're like, we need it to be perfect. And that's gonna lead us into number 3 before we can talk about it. But the problem here is it's kind of a catch-22. So you need people to be aware of what you're offering, whatever it is, but in this case, your digital product, they need to be aware of it before they're interested and before they want to make a purchase. So there's that law of 7, right? You need to see something 7 times before you make a choice on it, before you make a move on it, before you make a purchase. And I honestly think now in our world of being exposed to so much content, that number is so much bigger. I don't think it's 7 times anymore. We're so exposed to so much that's available to us. You're gonna need to see it way more than 7 times before you make a commitment to this is what I'm interested, this is what I want to purchase. So you need to start showing up, talking about it, and this is where being passionate comes back in, long before it is ready to go. You need to hype people up about it. You need to start telling them that this is a problem that they have and you have the solution, that this transformation is going to be available, that this outcome is possible for them before you even launch that digital course. create hype around it, start talking about it, get people interested, get people talking about it, see if it's even viable. And if it is, you can even fucking pre-sell it. You can sell it before it's ready. If people want this, if they're ready, get them in right then. And then basically is a commitment to yourself to actually get it done, which is number 3. Number 3 to actually making money with your digital course is to fucking create it. You have to make it. You will be blown away with the amount of people I talk to that have a topic, an idea, 2 pages written out, a full fucking digital course done that they are not ready to launch because it's not perfect. But perfect doesn't matter if, first of all, nobody knows about it. So if you're hiding this away until it's ready and perfect, perfect doesn't fucking matter. Perfect also doesn't matter if you don't have sales yet, right? So make it good, make it valuable. Valuable is so important, but don't spend months, weeks, years perfecting it before you put it out there. You want to get it done, get something ready, and then sell it, and then you can improve it from there, and they can get access to the new and improved version. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. If it is valuable, it could be a PDF that you email them. It could be a video that they have private access on YouTube. It doesn't have to be anything fancy if it is valuable. So create it and get it out there. And number 4 to making money with your digital products is to use a free platform to host it. You would be so surprised with how many people have online businesses, let's say. They've never made a sale. They have a digital product that maybe isn't even ready yet, and they are spending hundreds of dollars a month on these fancy tech platforms to host and to create when they're not actually making any money yet. These platforms have features that are for example, somebody like me or somebody even further ahead than me. I have 47 digital products. There are people who have hundreds of digital products who need all of these features. If you are just starting, if you haven't made one single sale yet, you do not need all of these features. There are free platforms out there, specifically Thinkific, that you can host one online course for free, and you can do this forever. This is not a 30-day trial. This is a forever thing. You can host that one digital course for free forever. Like I said in number 3, you could also send out a PDF email. You could have a private YouTube link. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be expensive. Thinkific is the easiest way because you can actually send that link and they can make sales without you being involved, without you actually having to send it to them. But there are so many ways to get it out to the people who are interested. You created something of value. You created it, it's ready, right? It could get better, but it's ready right now. Now you want to get it in their hands, and Thinkific, the free platform, is the easiest way to do this. But once again, so many other ways. It can be email, it could be a YouTube link. Get it in their hands. That is it, the 4 steps to making money with your digital product. If you want me to dive into each one of these topics or one specifically, please let me know in the comments. If you're ready to turn what you know into a digital course and start making money right away, if you want the steps that I take, the methods that I take, that I've used to create and sell the 47 digital products that I have, join your first online course in 60 days. Round 2 is live now, and you can get access by joining at the link in the comments. I am excited to put out more videos on this. Please tell me which one you would like next. And of course, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.